As we know, May is Haitian Heritage Month. This celebration is an expansion of Haitian Flag Day held on May 18. To commemorate this patriotic day in our community, one of the premier Haitian American lifestyle, cultural, societal, and entertainment news sites, Lunion Suite, is inviting you to the Strike for Education Charity Bowl. This event is being held to help raise money for Fleur de Vie, Haiti's back-to-school recreational day event. Strike for Education will be held at Spares Bowling Alley, Monday, May 18th at 7 p.m. This will be a charity bowling tournament that will be hosted by Haitian-American comedian and producer, Sejo. Spares is located at 5325 South University Drive in Davie, Florida. For more information or to register a team, visit www.lunionsuite.com or call 954-557-3869. Once again, Lunion Suite would like to invite you to the Strike for Education Charity Bowl, being held at Spares Bowling Alley Monday, May 18th at 7 p.m. and hosted by none other than Sejo.